Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck in your life? Have you ever felt that the world is falling apart? Like you are moving, but you're not going anywhere. You feel unmotivated, demotivated, procrastinating all of the time. You wake up in the morning through the motions, check your phone, survive the day, but deep down, you meant for more, right? But you want to find purpose. You want to find what you love. You want to find the things that will make you happy. But no one ever taught you how to find your purpose and do what you love. And purpose is not something that you need to find it. It's something that you built, right? The purpose is something that you built. Forget all the purpose kind of showing up one day and all that kind of stuff. But it's not a treasure, it's a trail, okay? You built it step by step, day by day, and by consistency, okay? By doing things, trying to failing, adjusting, exploring, you don't need to have it all figured out, okay? You just need to start. The starting point is something that is a lot of people they struggle with, how to get started and how to find purpose. You need to know that what follow curiosity, not pressure. The thing that follows curiosity, not pressure. Don't ask what should I do with my life. Ask yourself, what excites me? Even just the little things. What am I curious about? What are you curious about? Are you curious about starting a business? Are you curious about starting a YouTube channel? Are you curious about helping other people to find their purpose? What would I do even if no one pays me? So that's how you're finding your purpose. If you ask yourself these questions and give yourself some answers, you'll be able to find your purpose. Curiosity is a compass. Passion isn't found, it followed, okay? Combine these three things. If you're looking to find your purpose, you need to start here. First of all, ask yourself what you love. What kind of things that excite you? What do you love? What you are good at or willing to learn? What are you willing to learn? What helps others that you do? What solve problems? Where those three meets, okay, that's your zone, that's your purpose. And that's what your starting point is for perfection or for permission. A lot of people now, no one is going to tap you on the shoulder and say, hey, it's time to leave your dream now. It's time to find your purpose. That's not going to happen. You have to give yourself permission. You have to give yourself time to start, okay? You have to attempt it. So you start where you are with what you have. You don't need to be perfect, mate. So doing what you love doesn't mean that, the fame or millions. Sometimes means peace or joy, probably the impact that you bring on the table, freedom, living your purpose, or even means that living the alignment. Ask yourself these questions daily. What do I love? What do I love to do? Okay? So what am I good at? What am I good at? What am I willing to learn? Or of course, what helps others? What can I help others to improve? Or what can I help people to solve their problems? These are the questions that you need to ask yourself and give yourself some answers. And I will say that, so if you are feeling lost, remember this. Purpose isn't something that you find it out there or somewhere. It's something that in you, it's built step by step with intention, courage, and curiosity. You start exploring and you start experimenting and you start asking yourself better questions. Give yourself some answers and give yourself permission to do what lights you up, what excites you. Because the world doesn't need more people just getting by. It needs more people to live on the fire. Okay? So, this is how you can be able to find your purpose and how you can do it too.